Hi everyone, my name is Ashot and I'm a big fan of Armytek flashlights. My daily job is being a seafarer and since last year I was advertising Armytek flashlights, and for the last 2 months I became a small reseller of Armytek flashlights in Ukraine. Today I found on Armytek's website that they have an anniversary, and this year anniversary is for the 13 years being on the market. And as a gift for the anniversary, I'm addressing this message to everyone who is somehow related to Armytek. First of all, senior managers, wholesale managers, chief executive officer, and everybody who is involved with Armytek flashlights. During the last 2 months, as I mentioned already, I became a reseller of Armytek flashlights, and I was working with Armytek's branch in Poland. Not just a dealer in Poland, but I was working with the Armytek's branch in Poland, with the wholesale department. And today's message is about my experience, unfortunately experience is bad, of working with a wholesale manager of Armytek in Poland. I have already placed orders for over $7,000 at the wholesale price for the flashlights, and during last 2 months I not only managed to bring Armytek flashlights to Ukrainian market and sold already over 100 flashlights and over 50 Armytek flashlight mounts, but I also created over 30 YouTube videos on my YouTube channel in Russian language, which is my main channel at this moment, and every single of those 30 reviews is dedicated to Armytek flashlights. My today's experience during placing an order at the Armytek wholesale department at the branch in Poland inspired me on recording this video. It was maybe 15th or 16th order which I placed so far, and every single order I placed since May was worse than the previous one. And today's order was even worse. That was the worst experience I have ever faced while ordering something in the internet. This was especially sad to me because the issue was in warranty claim. It should seem strange to the people who are watching my video, because Armytek is supposed to be very proud of the warranty policy, because on every single box or every single advertisement booklet you have an Armytek policy in terms of warranty written bold and clear, and they claim 10 years no hassle warranty. And what I experienced today, that was terrible. I have a case with my client in Ukraine claiming that the flashlight he ordered from me is working not as expected. He made a short video. I sent this short video of a defective flashlight directly to the wholesale manager. He confirmed that flashlight is working badly. That was a flashlight Armytek Wizard white red. All the modes in white LED were not working properly, and he confirmed that that is a warranty case and that we will need to repair a flashlight. So my customer is in Kropivnitsky. Unfortunately, due to the current situation in Ukraine, every single person in the world knows the exact location of Ukraine's cities. So the client was from Kropivnitsky, and I wanted to provide him the best service possible and to replace a complete flashlight and to give to my customer a completely new flashlight the soonest way it was possible and achievable. Unfortunately, I did not have this particular flashlight on my warehouse, and while ordering today, my next order for the 20 flashlights, for the 20 Armytek flashlight mounts and some accessories, I asked the wholesale manager in Poland, could you please include a new flashlight for my customer because I don't have it in my warehouse. I will receive it, I will send it to the customer, I will take the defective flashlight, and we also negotiated with the Armytek wholesale manager in Poland that I will cover the cost of delivery this flashlight from me to the Polish warehouse. And I received a negative reply from Armytek wholesale manager in Poland. He said that you, Ashot, you can buy a replacement flashlight for your customer, or if you want to provide him a best service possible, then you, Ashot, have to spend your extra money and you have to pay extra expenses on that all way of delivery and all kind of whatever service you want to provide to your customer. You have to face all the expenses because we are giving you a wholesale price and you have some margin and you are making a profit while selling our flashlights, and please, you need to face expenses. I explained once again that I don't have an exact flashlight which my customer needs. Please, can you provide me a one single flashlight as a warranty case? You already confirmed that the flashlight is defective. I don't want my customer to wait for 2 weeks until you will replace or until you will repair defective flashlight. I simply want my customer to be able to claim his 10 years advertised warranty and to get product as he expects. Again, after 20 minutes of telephone conversation, I was feeling myself like I'm talking to the wall. Really, I did not hear any suggestion, any idea on how can I get anything positive, or how can Armytek branch in Poland be helpful to me. I did not feel any interest of that wholesale manager in regards to the end customer. Nothing at all. He only told me, we sold you, we gave you margin, you need to face expenses. If you want to be the best seller possible, okay, that's all on your expenses. And I expect now that the people who are watching this video right now, they feel the same what I felt today in the morning. So that was another order for $900 separately, and I only asked for a single replacement at the same order, so I will not face delivery costs 2 times, because I also found a way how to bring this flashlight to Ukraine, and a part of paying a delivery inland in Poland, I also pay myself a delivery from Poland to Ukraine. And I managed to combine my regular order with a warranty case just to be effective in this way. But I faced the worst ever experience ever of buying something from somebody. I have already bought, I don't know, maybe the 15, 20, 30, 50 different kind of products on Amazon.com, on Amazon Germany, on eBay.com from US. Even a single pair of Adidas pants can be replaced by Amazon easily, way easily than Armytek flashlight. Really, I'm getting a full refund of a defective Adidas pants if they are really defective and if they ordered from Amazon.com, and I don't have to return this pair of Adidas pants back to US. The seller, Amazon, simply covers all the costs and they simply make a full refund for the price of defective pants. And if you buy Adidas pants or any other pants in the world, you don't have a 10 years warranty written on that pair of pants. But here, buying in Armytek, you have a nice booklet. You have on the back side of the booklet written nice and clear with bold letters that we have legendary service, that we have no hassle, 10 years warranty. But I cannot get this in Poland. I cannot get what Armytek is advertising to the customers when I'm buying from Armytek Poland. I simply cannot get this, and that is very, very disappointing. Please, if an Armytek senior manager or anybody related to the sales, to the wholesales, to social media marketing, if you hear me, not only listen and watch my video, but if you hear me, please make something, because I personally, I'm a big fan of Armytek flashlights, and I consider them to be better than competitors like Nightcore, Phoenix, Acebeam, Zebralight, Olight, etc, etc, and that's why I chose Armytek to work with. But unfortunately, some of your representatives, some of your employees in Poland, they completely destroyed my overview of the company itself. That is the worst experience really I faced when buying something from somebody. And that was from Armytek with a 10 years no hassle warranty. I cannot stop talking about this issue, really. I'm maybe already telling the same thing twice or 3 times, so please really feel what I was feeling today in the morning. That is not acceptable, and if I would, I don't know, just hear me and please contact me and let's solve the issue. And I expect on any kind of possible feedback. I will leave my email down below. I will leave my Facebook page address down below. Please contact me, call me by Facebook Messenger application, and let's continue to cooperate in a better way, please. Otherwise, it's really uncomfortable to deal with Armytek just because some person does not feel the same what I feel about Armytek customers. I am also a customer. I am not your official dealer. That's for sure. You know this. I have a good job and I'm a professional seafarer. And I'm not your dealer, but I feel about my customers way more than your representative in Poland. And I care about my customers way more than your wholesale manager in Poland. I don't feel anything. I don't feel any care or any positive attitude to me as a customer, as a wholesale customer from your representative. And the worst thing is, really the worst thing is, that we speak the same language. Your representative in Armytek branch in Poland is also from a post-Soviet Union country, either Ukraine, either Russia. I don't know what kind of roots he has, and I have nothing against it, but we speak the same language natively, and after 20 minutes of conversation by the phone, I was not able to get to my customer in Ukraine one single flashlight. And I did not ask this separately. I asked this to be included with an order for $900. And after 2 months of cooperation with the Polish branch of Armytek, I did not get any better price list, taken into account that I already made around 60 videos of Armytek flashlights on YouTube. On my Russian channel, you will see the link here and also in the description, and also check the first comment to this video. You will see a link to my main channel in Russian language, and you will find there 57 reviews on Armytek flashlights only, and all of them are high quality reviews for a different kind of flashlights with nice thumbnails, with related posts in social media like Facebook, Instagram, and I was not offered to accept any particular flashlight for the review, which is also sad, really. I did not ask for that, but after so many reviews done, after promoting and after increasing the amount of sales in Ukraine, I was not offered to be a reviewer, I don't know, official reviewer, or to get some product for free for me personally. I do admit that Armytek Wizard Nitra, which I received in January, is a great flashlight. I was late with the review due to obvious circumstances in Ukraine, but I did 2 reviews on Armytek Wizard Pro Nitra, and after that another 30 reviews every other day I am posting on my YouTube channel. Every other day there is a review coming for Armytek flashlight, and every single customer, every single subscriber watching Armytek flashlight review on my channel is also watching a label of 10 years warranty advertised on every single product you print or you make advertisement on your website. So it must be improved when it comes to the warranty, and I encourage every single customer of Armytek in Poland to be more demanding to your seller, to your Armytek dealer, and especially if you are buying a product from armytek.pl, from the Polish website, you must be more demanding to your Armytek seller, to your Armytek branch, and demand from them a best possible warranty policy, exactly the same what I experienced 4 years ago in Ukraine. I'm waiting for the feedback, and after I get the feedback I will create another video and I will share with my subscribers what kind of feedback did I get. Otherwise I will have to record a video explaining to my subscribers that unfortunately Armytek did not reply to me, and then they don't care about the warranty policy at all, and they don't want to improve. That is also possible. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.